The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Big Data Analytics and the Internet of Things. This webinar is the last leg of webinar series for the Digital Month program presented to you by Accenture on TechGig.com. Digital Month is a perfect opportunity for you to learn the latest trends and technologies in digital. It has brought to you various webinars, contests, and panel discussions. While the potential for learning and value add to your career is huge, it also gives you a chance to win exciting gadgets by taking part in the contests in digital. That's not all. You could win gift vouchers by merely referring your friends and colleagues to participate in the activities of the Digital Month. Our guest speakers today are Monarch Vyas, he is the Senior Manager, Shugato Shamonto, the Software Engineering Associate Manager, Anuradha Yerukola, she is the Performance Risk and Quality Associate Manager, and Kaushik Haldar, he is the Software Engineering Associate Manager with Accenture. Over to you, Monarch.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, Aradhana. First of all, a warm welcome to all of you who've spared some time to be on this particular call. We will try and see to, as the audience is increasing, we'll probably hold on for a couple of minutes with a brief introduction about ourselves, hoping that the number increases to the count that were registered to. Today's session is essentially going to be around big data, analytics, and Internet of Things, right? But before we dive into this exact session for about 50-odd minutes, just a few recommendations would be to keep this particular session as interactive as possible. So please feel free to ask your questions. Myself, I'm Monarch Vyas. As Aradhana really mentioned, I am the Senior Manager with Accenture's Digital Capability. I handle analytics, and a lot of work that we are doing right now is in the emerging world of hybrid architectures, Hadoop-based architectures, big data analytics, and Internet of Things is actually playing a very, very big part in this, right? We've actually seen a lot of hype attached to all of these topics. We've also seen a lot of things going around at a very theoretical level within the market around these topics. So what we are trying to do today is let you know the art of the possible within big data analytics and the Internet of Things, but also to make sure that we give you realistic examples of where we have actually deep dived and got our hands dirty in these specific topics itself. So we will try to make sure we give you relevant case studies and credentials where we've actually worked on these topics, how the customers have benefited, and what is the actual business case that we resolved by using big data analytics and the Internet of Things. Right. What I have with me on the panel is a combination of highly skilled data scientists, as we call them. Kaushik Haldar, Shugato Samanta, and Anuradha Yerukola are three of the best data scientists that we have within the Accenture team under digital. And these people are the ones who work on this kind of topics day in, day out. So please feel free to pick their brains, and we can then move ahead with this particular session. Thanks a lot. Kaushik, can we move to the next slide, please? Perfect. So in the